Hey podcasters, this is Keith from Podpal. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view and manage your episodes. Throughout the video, I'll be going over reviewing your episode's dashboard, sorting episodes by status, and planning each episode. Alright, let's get started. You can view and manage episodes for any of your podcasts by clicking on the podcast card or by clicking episodes in the sidebar menu. The episodes dashboard gives you an overview of all the episodes you started and published for any specific podcast. This includes episodes you've created in Podpal and any you've imported prior. Quickly see the status of episodes by using the episode filter at the top of the page. Sort through by in progress, complete, and published. Podpal is a powerful episode planning tool, so use the Add Episode button in the sidebar to add new episodes or even just to get ideas and prospective release dates on the board. Each episode card includes the episode's artwork, title, completion progress, team members, and release date and publishing status. Each card will let you know how many days left you have until your scheduled release date, and even if it passes, Podpal won't publish your content until you're 100% ready. If plans change, you can always update your release date from the episode dashboard by clicking the status button on the episode card and changing the date and time. Once your episode is published, your status will update and show the date and time the episode went live. Clicking the three dots on any of the cards will let you manage that episode's progress, update the settings and details, or delete the episode. Clicking into any card will bring you to the episode management dashboard. Okay, that's all. Make sure to check out our other video tutorials so you can become a Podpal expert. And remember, you can always visit our help center to learn more about Podpal's features.